All right, let's get into everybody's favorite subject, fringes. If you're working with any kind of union, you know what I'm talking about. The fringes are usually some kind of tax that is applied to any number of your line items. Sometimes that's pension and health contributions to a union. Sometimes that's VAT. Sometimes that's a payroll fee. Or all sorts of things. If you go up here to the library, you can see in the fringes here, we've pre-populated the entire app with some standard fringes that people use, such as the SAG Pension and Health, DGA, WGA, FICA, Federal Medicare. These things are often applied to most of your line items. Workers' comp, payroll service. So you can click on these, choose the ones that are appropriate for your budget, and I can copy them to my budget. And you see over there, now it's all populated with all this stuff. Now, I'm here in my cast, within my stars and leading players, got my leading actor here. We're going to offer him a whopping 100,000 US dollars for the role. We're going to click on the SAG Pension and Health, which is going to add 21% to that. And you'll see down here is where your fringes are applied. Sometimes there's also, let's see if it's in the library, an agency. Yeah, the agency fee. A lot of times if you're paying an actor just scale, you need to pay scale plus 10% so that those actors aren't paying the agency fee out of their pocket. So we'll go ahead and click that on the Eric roll here as well, even though he's getting paid that nice fee of $100,000. Then, maybe you have actors that are not in SAG. They don't need to be contributed to the pension and health, but you still want to pay their agency fee. All of this is going to total up down here in the fringes, and this is true for every line. You'll see down here, as soon as I add a fringe, the total fringes pops up. So it's separate. It's not going to show up in your actual line. Your actual line, you're going to see exactly what here, 4 days times 25 people at 1,500 typod a day, subtotals out to this. The fringes are separate, but they do come into this total. You see $7,854, $7,854. And then it's totaled again across the entire category down here. And again down here, your total fringes across the entire budget. This is a really important tool to be using. It's something that makes spreadsheet budgeting really quite difficult, is not having these features like fringes, groups, and globals. But you can see we try to keep these pre-populated fringe percentages up to date for you, so you don't have to look up what's the latest rate in the most up-to-date contract with the Writers Guild. It's already in there for you.